What amount of current is required to produce 9 gram of aluminium from aluminum chloride solution? What amount of current is required to produce 9 gram of aluminium from aluminum chloride solution? Let us try to find out. 9 gram of aluminium from aluminum chloride solution. Aluminum chloride. Ionization of aluminum chloride. Aluminium 3 plus ion plus 3 chloride ions. From this reaction we see that aluminium 3 plus ion receives 3 moles of electrons to produce aluminium. Here, gram atomic mass of aluminium is 27 gram. To produce 27 gram aluminium, 3 moles of electrons are required. 3 moles of electrons are required to produce 27 gram of aluminium. We know charge of 1 mole electron is equal to 96,500 coulomb, and 96,500 coulomb is equal to 1 Faraday. That is here, charge of 3 moles of electrons. 3 moles of electrons is equal to 3 Faraday. That is, to produce 27 gram of aluminium. 27 gram of aluminium is produced by 3 Faraday current or electricity. Then 9 gram of aluminium is produced by 3 Faraday times 9 gram divided by 27 gram. This is equal to gram 9 27 3 331. That is 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday current or electricity is required to produce 9 gram of aluminium. 1 Faraday current is required. Thank you for watching.